Tired of tangled hoses and messy gardens? The Giraffe Tools retractable garden hose reel promises to make watering effortless with its 130-foot hose and auto rewind system. Is it worth $120 for your garden in 2025? Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to SmartBloom. I'm your name, and we review the latest smart gardening gadgets to make your life easier. Today, we're testing the Giraffe Tools retractable garden hose reel. Perfect for gardens in the USA, EU, and beyond. Hit subscribe for more. The Giraffe Tools retractable garden hose reel is a wall-mounted solution for hassle-free watering. Priced at around $120, it comes with a half-inch, 130-foot hybrid hose, a 180-degree swivel bracket, and a slow return system to prevent tangling. It also has an any-length lock feature and a 9-pattern nozzle for versatile use, perfect for small to large gardens. Let's talk features. The 130-foot hose can be locked at any length with a gentle pull, covering every corner of your garden. The slow return system ensures smooth retraction without kinks, and the 180-degree swivel bracket lets you water in any direction. The 9-pattern nozzle offers settings for everything from misting flowers to washing your car, and it's all solar-free. Just mount it and go. Here's the deeper dive. I tested this hose reel in a medium-sized Florida garden, and it easily reached 100 feet to water my veggie patch. No tangles thanks to the G self-layering system. Installation took 15 minutes, but you'll need a sturdy 4x4 post. Some users mention the plastic bracket can bend over time, so I'd recommend reinforcing it. The water pressure is decent, but some users note it's weaker with the half-inch hose compared to a 5/8-inch one. The 9-pattern nozzle is handy, though it might leak if your water pressure exceeds 90 psi. Use a regulator if needed. Users in the EU love its durability, but some in the USA report retraction issues after a few months. Still, the 24-month warranty gives peace of mind. Here's the good and the not-so-good pros. It's tangle-free with a smooth auto-rewind, covers 130 feet, and the 180-degree swivel makes watering a breeze. It's perfect for small to medium gardens. Cons: the plastic bracket might bend over time, water pressure can be low with the half-inch hose, and some users report retraction issues after a few months. Overall, a great tool with some quirks. Who should buy this hose reel? It's ideal for gardeners in the USA, EU, or Canada with small to medium gardens, up to 1,500 square feet, who want a tangle-free retractable solution. If you hate messy hoses and love convenience, this is for you. It's not ideal for very large yards or if you need high water pressure. Ready to simplify your gardening? Get the Giraffe Tools retractable hose reel on Amazon for around $120. Link in the description. What's your favorite way to keep your garden hoses organized? Share your tips in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to SmartBloom for more smart gardening reviews.